Hi boys and girls, welcome to another science lesson. Now, as you remember, in our last lesson we studied about the plant and the different parts of the plant. Let me remind you. Here I have the craft that we completed. It looks very beautiful. Now, we talked about the roots there. It's the part that stays in the soil and it takes up water and nutrients for the plant. Then we have the stem or trunk, the branches that hold up the leaves, and then we have, that's right, the green part, the leaves, and we have flowers and fruit. When the flowers dry up, they form the fruit, and inside the fruit we have seeds. So this is a reminder of what we did last time, the parts of a plant. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the senses. Imagine our face was like this. What do you notice? No eyes, no nose, no mouth. We would be missing a whole lot about what's happening around us. So, I am so happy that our faces have eyes, that's right, a nose, we have ears, we have a mouth with a tongue, and we have skin everywhere. Now these special organs, the eyes, the nose, the ears, the tongue, and our skin, they are called the sense organs. And they make us aware of everything that's going on around us. We see with our eyes, we smell with our nose, we hear with our ears, we taste with the tongue, and we are able to touch with our skin. Let's explore more about our senses as we do these activities. Here we have an activity using the sense of sight or seeing. We can tell which shapes are alike and which shapes are different. Yes, our eyes send messages to our brain so that we can know what we are seeing. Let's see if we can match the shapes correctly. So, here we have our first shape is the triangle. Does it match with this one? Are these two the same? Not really. Yes, I found it. Here it is. So the triangle here matches with the triangle on this side. That's right. How about our cone? Is it matching with this shape? They don't look the same. So our eyes are helping us to see what is the same and what is different. Yes, together with our brain, they are working, the eyes and the brain. So yes, we have a match. There it is. This cone matches with that one. How about our cube? Oh yes, we see the match. Here it is. And our circle. Can we find? Yes, this circle is the same as this one. And our last shape is that's right, the hexagon. It matches with the one right at the top here. So we have used our sense of seeing to complete this activity. So here we are going to explore the sense of smell. And as you know, we use our noses to smell. And our nose sends messages to our brain for our brain to tell us what we are smelling. Now you might be familiar with this smell. Let's see. Can you guess what it is? I'm going to smell and see. There. That's right. It's sweet, it's pleasant, it's perfume. Yes. How about this one? When we wear our socks and we take them off, that smell is not pleasant. So we say it's stinky and we say this one is pleasant. Now we have some food. And yes, this is a spice. It's called cinnamon. Here we have some cinnamon as well. But they use the cinnamon bark to ground it and make our cinnamon powder that we put in cakes. It has a really wonderful, delicious smell. Cinnamon. It's a spice. And here I have a fruit that smells so good. Yummy. It's an apple. And even if my eyes are closed and I smell it, I can know that I'm smelling an apple. It has such a special smell. Same for the cinnamon and the perfume. And here I have my bread. And I can also smell the bread. It has a different smell than the apple. Boys and girls, our noses do help us to enjoy our food and to make us aware of what we are smelling. Our noses help to keep us safe because if we smell smoke, then we know that we might be in danger of a fire. Continue to use your noses and your sense of smell to be aware of everything around you. Here I have a lot of different objects. I can see them. But can my eyes tell me how they feel? No. We need our sense of touch. Let's see if we can tell all the different feelings when we touch all these objects. So I'm going to start with this one. This is a rock that I picked up outside. Now we can see it's bumpy, it's not smooth, and when I feel it, it's very, very hard. So even if my eyes are closed, I can know that I'm feeling something that's hard and bumpy. Now, if I feel the piece of cotton, it's very soft. So, it's different to this one that's so bumpy and hard. Here I have the bark from the tree trunk. This one, when I feel it, it doesn't feel smooth at all. As the paper is very smooth. So, I can know with my sense of touch which one is smooth, which one is bumpy, which one is hard, which one is soft. How about the pet dog, the real ones, and this is a toy one? It feels soft. It feels soft and you can run your fingers through it and you won't really get hurt. Now here I have my toast. Now it's warm. When I feel it, yes, came out of the toaster and it's warm. So my skin helps me to know when something is hot or cold. And here I have the ice pack. Oh yes, when I touch it, oh, it's not warm like my toast. See, there's ice around. It is cold. That's right. So our sense of touch, our skin and sense of touch help us to understand what we are feeling. We know that we can use our sense of touch to help figure out whatever is around us. Now here we have different things that we taste. That's right, we use our tongues to taste. Now you are familiar with this. I know you love this. It's the sweet. And when we eat, we know when something is sweet and very delicious. Here I have a lemon, but you know that the lemon is sour. So it's different to the sweet taste of the nice bubble gum I have here. Then we have the crackers. Are the crackers tasting like do the crackers taste like the lemon? No, we say they are salty. We call them salt crackers. And here I have this. It's a salad leaf that we use when we are making salad. It's called watercress. It's like lettuce. And this one has a bitter taste. So we have 4 different types of taste to identify when we are eating. We have sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. Boys and girls, I know you like to eat lots of sweet, but they're not so good for us. Let's always have a mixture of taste whenever we eat so we can enjoy our food. We are going to explore the sense of hearing. I have recycled these water bottles to use in our activity. I'm going to shake each bottle and I want you to listen to the sound carefully. See if you can identify what's in the bottle. Let's listen to the first one. Can you guess what's in this bottle? I'll play it again for you. How about this one? Can you guess? Let's listen to the last one. Okay, one more time. Let's see if you guessed correctly. Did you guess perhaps that there was some small pieces of maybe beads or something in here, like beads? Let's see. Okay, I'm taking off the paper. Yes, I put in some rice grains actually. They are small pieces. How about this one? Okay, did you guess perhaps it was a liquid? Let's see. That's right. It is water. This one had water in it. And how about the last one? Maybe you thought it was something heavy, like a little rock or a magnet or something heavy. Let's see. There, it's a marble. That's right. It's a little marble that I put in there that made that loud sound. Boys and girls, our ears are so useful. They help us to be aware of everything that's happening that we can hear. Sometimes if we hear the fire truck, we know that there's a fire. If we are crossing the road and maybe we forgot to look, we can hear and know that a car is coming, and it helps to keep us safe. All our senses help to keep us safe. Boys and girls, you will find these worksheets in your packet. You have to match the pictures with the correct words and sense organ. Your parents can help you to cut out the pieces and glue them properly. In this worksheet, you have to underline the correct word and write it in the blank spaces to complete how each object feels. You have pictures to help you remember what the object is. We have the cat, we have a rock, we have a balloon or a bunch of balloons, we have the tree trunk, we have the ice cream cone and corn. You will guess which one is hard, which one is bumpy, which one is cold, and so forth. Do your best work as you complete your worksheet. Boys and girls, let us use our senses to help us enjoy everything around us. Until next time, bye!